Hello, hello. As you all know, the PhD program in sustainability education at Prescott College is in a constant state of growth and evolution. And as a result, some of the pieces may have changed since you were enrolled. Or perhaps you're new, and it would be useful to hear a little bit more about the nuances of our benchmarks. Whatever stage you're in, we hope this succinct video is clarifying. There are a number of foundational courses and elective courses that students take in the PhD. Today, we want to focus on the following 4 benchmarks: the academic writing seminar, advanced research design, the dissertation proposal, and the dissertation itself. So in order to move successfully through the benchmarks, we need to give you a little more information or you'll get stuck.
Dino is how your benchmarks. What are PhD benchmarks?
As you can see, Sky's Hot Wheel car did not make it to the yellow dyno, and we hope that is not what happens to you. So we will do our best to create clarity, transparency, and information around what you need to know to get through them.
The Academic Writing Seminar is designed to support students in writing, refining, and advancing a scholarly paper for publication in order to demonstrate that a student is ready to advance into the final phases of the dissertation process. You'll be asked to produce a publishable piece for a qualifying paper that meets your chosen publication's guidelines. That does not mean that it has to be published, however. If you have a published paper that meets the goals of this course and the program, you may be eligible to bypass this seminar. We will work alongside your faculty advisor to navigate these conditions.
You will take the course, Advanced Research Design, at the point when you are ready to start designing your own original research. There might be a number of ways that you come to this course, but you will likely have taken the foundational courses and some of the qualitative and quantitative methods courses, where you've learned about different approaches and you've thought about how you might begin to design your own work. What you make in this class may take the form of something like the methodology section for your chapter 3 in your final dissertation. It might be a way to hone the way that you will apply particular methods to your own empirical work as you approach writing a dissertation proposal and start thinking about an IRB. You might also be from another graduate program and be putting together a capstone proposal or a thesis or any other piece of writing that requires you to design original work.
In the dissertation proposal course, which is really a space about facilitating an independent learning area based on students' own timelines. And in this space, you will meet with your core faculty advisor and hopefully have your committee determined, and they will help usher this process. In this course, you'll develop your own timeline and work with your peers and the instructor to fine-tune your dissertation proposal, and all the elements from the introduction to the literature review to that research design. Ideally, at the end of this course, you will have a pretty solid dissertation proposal and, if applicable, your IRB proposal ready for your committee.
So once your dissertation proposal has been approved by the whole committee, then you'll have 2 kind of different support spaces for your dissertation itself. Your primary space of support will be those 4 committee members. So your core faculty advisor, your 2 second readers, and your expert external reader. At the same time, you'll have a Moodle platform with all the other students who are actively dissertating, who are in there together. There will be an instructor that facilitates connection, conversation, problem solving, and creates spaces for students to discuss problems, challenges, successes, and provide feedback. There are resources on this Moodle Lab that can help you understand what is expected of dissertations, what are different templates that might be useful with APA 7th style, and so forth. So we hope that the Moodle Lab, which is a relatively new element of the program, provides additional support and resourcing for all students in the program.
And so this project, this thing that you're taking on, making a dissertation, is, as you can see, scaffolded by these different benchmarks. And there's another way that you can feel less alone in trying to understand what a dissertation is. What is its structure? What are some of the parts? What are things that others who have come before you in this program have done? There is a database called ProQuest Dissertations and Theses that's available on the library's website among the list of databases that actually indexes dissertations from around the world, but also indexes our own program's dissertations. So here's the interface for that search, and you can limit to dissertations produced here at the college by simply adding Prescott College and pointing that at the institutions and universities field to do your search. So we highly invite you and suggest that you do take a look so that you feel that you can build on this work. So we hope that this presentation has given you a better idea about what these benchmarks entail and that it's helpful to you as you continue in your program.